This equation is harder because the numbers are bigger and the result is going to come out as a fraction or a decimal. My method, however, is exactly the same. I have a bracket, so I'm going to expand. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. So 7 multiplied by 2x is 14x. 7 multiplied by 9 gives me 63. I haven't done anything to the right hand side, so that remains 102. Next step is to subtract 63. Now this might be getting a little bit bigger, so you might want to actually do that as a side sum in a column subtraction. I set that up as a column subtraction, and as you can see, 2 take away 3, I'm going to have to borrow. 12 take away 3 gives me 9. 0 take away 6, I have to borrow again. 10 take away 6 gives me 4. So taking 63 away from 112 leaves me with 49. On the left hand side of my equation, I have 14x. Now we know the next step, and that is to divide by 14. But dividing by 14 is not the easiest thing to do. So as an initial step, I could set up the right hand side of my equation to look like a fraction. 49 divided by 14. Recognising those two numbers as being in the 7 times table, I can simplify that fraction to make the numbers easier to deal with. 49 divided by 7 will give me 7. And if I do the same to the bottom, 14 divided by 7 will give me 2. So simplifying that equation leaves me with x has a value of 7 over 2. If I wanted to now do that division sum, again I could as a side division. I know the number is going to go into a decimal, so I've extended the number by adding a 0. 2's into 7 are 3, remainder 1. 2's into 10 are 5, and I follow that decimal point up into my answer, so I see that my final answer for a single value of x is 3.5. Either one of these answers would satisfy this question.